What if everything we thought about the origins of Chinese civilization was wrong? For decades, historians debated whether China's earliest civilization was influenced by Egypt, Mesopotamia, or the Indus Valley. But when scientists finally compared Chinese DNA to ancient civilizations across the world, only one civilization matched, and it wasn't anywhere outside China. The discovery completely changed how researchers understand the origins of 1.4 billion people today. In 2019, geneticists from Fudan University analyzed DNA samples from over 11,000 people across China. Then they compared those genetic markers to ancient remains from civilizations around the world: Egyptians, Mesopotamians, Indus Valley populations, even early Europeans and Native Americans. The goal was simple: find out where modern Chinese populations actually came from, and the results shocked them. Ancient Egypt showed almost no direct genetic overlap. The same happened with Mesopotamia. Even the Indus Valley civilization, geographically much closer to China, shared only tiny traces of common ancestry. Researchers found evidence of trade and limited contact, but not enough to suggest a shared origin. Then scientists turned to a civilization most people outside Asia barely know about: the Yellow River civilization. Everything changed. The Yellow River civilization emerged around 7,000 years ago in northern China. Unlike Egypt or Mesopotamia, they did not build giant stone pyramids or massive temples. Most of their structures were made from wood and earth, meaning much of their civilization disappeared over time, but their DNA remained. And when researchers compared ancient DNA from Yellow River archaeological sites to modern Chinese populations, the genetic match was undeniable. The same Y chromosome markers, the same maternal DNA patterns, even specific genetic mutations connected to traits like lactose intolerance and hair texture appeared at nearly identical rates. The conclusion was impossible to ignore. Modern Chinese populations were direct descendants of the Yellow River people. This discovery mattered for one huge reason. For over a century, many historians believed civilization spread outward from only a few core regions like Mesopotamia or Egypt. According to this theory, advanced societies elsewhere must have borrowed agriculture, writing, or government systems from those earlier civilizations. But China never really fit that model. Chinese writing looked nothing like hieroglyphics or cuneiform. Chinese agriculture centered around millet and rice instead of wheat and barley. Chinese philosophy, political systems, and technology developed along completely different lines.